Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Gates.io copy trading, a platform that has been gaining a lot of traction among crypto traders, especially those who want to trade smarter, not harder. Whether you're a beginner looking to follow expert traders or you're an experienced trader wanting to monetize your skills by letting others copy your moves, this feature is becoming one of the most talked about tools in the crypto world right now. So in this review, I'm going to break it all down for you and you'll see why it stands out as one of the best copy trading platforms in 2025. Let's get started. Gate.io is one of the longest standing cryptocurrency exchanges founded back in 2013. Over the years, it's built a reputation for offering a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, over 1,700 listed coins, as well as advanced trading features. But one of the standout additions in the recent years has been their copy trading service. Copy trading is essentially a tool that allows beginner traders to automatically replicate the strategies of more experienced and successful traders. Think of it like following a professional investor's portfolio, but in real time. When the expert trader you're following opens a trade, your account automatically mirrors that move based on the amount of capital that you've chosen to allocate. This makes it perfect for people who don't have the time, the skills, or confidence to trade on their own, but still want to be involved in the crypto markets. In 2025, as more retail traders are getting into crypto, but many still lack the technical know-how, Gates.io copy trading has positioned itself as a gateway for newcomers and a way for pro traders to build their reputation and earn additional income by having followers. It's a win-win for both sides. Now let us talk about the main features of Gate.io copy trading. Trader rankings and transparency. You can browse through a leaderboard of professional traders, see their return on investment, the risk levels, the trading frequency, and even their strategies. It's all written there and stated clearly. This helps you choose someone who matches your own goals and risk appetite. Flexible investment options. You don't need a huge budget to get started. You can allocate as little as you want to test things out or go larger if you're confident. Wide market coverage. Copy trading isn't limited to just Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can follow traders who specialize in futures, altcoins, and even niche strategies. Risk control tools. This is huge. You can set stop loss limits, maximum allocation per trade, and other safety features to protect your capital, even if the trader you're copying takes a risky position. One-click copying. The user interface is designed to make things simple. Once you've chosen a trader, it only takes one click to start copying the trades, and you just need to log in with your details. Performance analytics. Gate.io provides clear charts and stats to help you track how your investments are doing. Monetization for traders. If you are an experienced trader, you can earn commissions when other users copy your trades, and that's a passive income stream on top of your own trading profits. Mobile and desktop integration. Everything can be managed from both the Gate.io app and the website, making it convenient to monitor trades on the go. Now let us talk about the pricing. It's an important part. Gate.io doesn't charge you a separate subscription fee just for copy trading. Instead, the cost usually comes from profit sharing and the standard trading fees. Aside from that, you still pay the normal trading fees on Gate.io, which are generally very competitive compared to the rest of the industry. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Gate.io copy trading. First, the pros. Huge selection of professional traders to follow. Transparent performance data with detailed stats. An easy entry point for beginners with one-click copying. And if you're an experienced trader, you can monetize your strategies. How about the cons? Copy trading still involves risk because if the trader you follow loses, you lose too. Some traders that are top traders may have limited follower slots, so you need to act quickly. And it requires consistent monitoring if you want to optimize the allocations. So, is Gate.io copy trading worth it in 2025? In my opinion, yes. It's one of the best platforms for copy trading right now, because the combination of transparency, user-friendly tools, and the sheer number of professional traders available makes it stand out. It's not just for beginners who want to passively follow trades, it also empowers experienced traders to build their own brand and earn commissions from followers. So if you're looking for a balance between automation and professional expertise, Gate.io copy trading is definitely one of the strongest choices in 2025 because it saves you time, it gives you access to strategies that you might not have thought of, and creates opportunities for both sides of the trading community. That's why it continues to attract both new and experienced traders. And that's it on the review of Gate.io copy trading. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore eToro, Bybit copy trading, and Binance copy trading. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.